Sweat on the makeup can actually take the makeup away. Hi, I'm Pooja. I'm a freelance makeup artist, and today I'm going to be talking about some sweat control hacks. So why do we sweat? Maybe because we are feeling really hot, maybe because there's a change in the weather, or maybe we are going through some hormonal changes. So these are the reasons why we sweat a lot, and we really need to take care of our makeups in case we're really fond of wearing one with these problems. So after cleansing, toning and moisturizing my skin and before applying my makeup, I like to use 2 pieces of ice covered in a tissue or a cloth, and I like to massage it gently all over my face. My entire face and my neck, just move around in circular motions. This helps in closing the pores and secretion of the oil, which can be one of the reasons for you to feel hot. So before I apply my foundation, I like to apply a nice primer, and something that topped my list is this LA Girl PRO.Prep primer, because this makes the makeup stay for a very long time. It is translucent in terms of its texture and glides very nicely on the skin. So for an effective long stay makeup, it is very essential to apply the primer. This one particularly fills in all the lines and pores, so it makes your skin perfectly ready to apply your foundation and gives a very even texture to the skin. The next step is to use a foundation. When you know that you really sweat a lot on the face, then try to use foundations which are a little less in terms of coverage. Heavy foundations will make you sweat even more. Once you have applied the foundation, the very important step is to lock it using a loose powder, because this is something which is going to avoid sweating on your face. The one that I'm using today is the one from LA Girl, the Pro Powder High Definition Powder. This is really excellent because it does not tend to make your skin look cakey or powdery. It just locks the foundation, giving a very minimalistic touch to the skin. So this definitely is one of my favorite products. Once I have applied the powder, my last step to lock the foundation and to make sure that it's sweat free is to use a setting spray, because this is going to ensure that my makeup stays on for a long time and does not budge anywhere. The one that I'm using is the LA Girl Pro Setting Spray. This is something that you need to use from a distance once your makeup is complete. Do not try to, powder it again or do something with it. Let the skin naturally absorb it and let the skin naturally dry it. In case you have an excessively sweating skin, then it's always good to carry a soft piece of soft muslin cloth, or also known as malmal, and just gently dab it on your face when you get those sweat pangs. I hope this video was little informative for you, and to make your makeup stay longer this sweaty season, try this out. For more such content, log on to Foxy. Stay fab, stay foxy.